चालेल.
सुरू करू का आकाश सर?
येस सर, करा करा.
सुरू करू. सगळे विद्यार्थी आले? सगळे विद्यार्थी आले, करू का सुरू?
सर अजून एकदा 3-4 विद्यार्थी राहिलेत, पण करायचं करू शकतो आपण. रेकॉर्डिंग सुरू केले.
रेकॉर्ड चालेल, मी सुरू करतो. आज देव टू जॉईन लेटर. ओके.
येस सर.
Good morning all. This today's session is on Indian knowledge system. The new subject is being launched by Savitribai Phule University for internal evaluation for 2 credits. And this Rajmata Jido Shikshan Prasarak Mandal Trust has completed 25 years. This is the silver jubilee anniversary is there. On that occasion, we are arranging various sessions online since after Corona. This medium of instruction not compulsorily done by UGC and university, that offline is not mandatory. That's why, considering the workforce, the traffic problems, traveling problems, and each and every professional is occupied at his or her workplace. That's why I'm very glad to introduce Dr. Anand Anna Sahib Deshmukh, Director of Vidya Pratishthan's VIIT MBA and MC Institute. And I'm very happy to say that I am a student of Dr. Anand Deshmukh sir, 1994-96 batch, Bharati Vidyapit. 94-96, I was student of sir. Sir used to teach us marketing management and financial management, basics of this management, accounting and financial management. Sir was very strict during our days. Nowadays, because of his seniority, he is a little bit very soft compared to today's behavior. Sir is a MCOM and MBA. Sir is alumni of Bruin Maharashtra College of Commerce, BMCC. And sir is PhD in role of marketing products in jail industries in Pune. Sir is research guide. 50 students has completed PhD under his guidance, and more than 10 students has completed MP. Very down to the earth, very knowledgeable, and very calm and quiet person. Today is with us for giving online session on a role of festivals in personality shape up and career building is his subject. I welcome Deshmukh sir on this online platform on behalf of Rajmata Jijaऊ Shikshan Prasarak Mandal, Bhosri Vidhan Sabha Matdar Sangha's first MLA, Sri Vilas Lande Sahib. On his behalf, Sudhir Mungse Sahib is our secretary, and Vikrant Dada Lande is the corporator of PCMC. On his behalf, I take this opportunity to welcome this virtual platform, Dr. Anand Deshmukh sir. तुमचे स्वागत आहे. Heartily welcome you on this platform. Now, sir, dais is yours. Please carry on. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Respected Dr. Dhananjay Bagul, the director of the institute, Professor Yevte, the faculty members, respected MLA, first MLA Lande Sahib, the secretary of RJSPM Mungse Sahib, the teaching, non-teaching staff of RJSPM, and my dear students. As per the new education policy 2020, the government as well as the Savitribai Phule Pune University has made certain changes in the curriculum of UG as well as the PG programs. Now, most of the students, they are from BBA as well as BCA. And this particular subject, Indian knowledge system, which is really a very important subject which have been introduced, and we should feel proud to be Indians that Indian culture and tradition is rich and diverse with many elements that have influenced the overall world. आपली भारतीय संस्कृती जी आहे ती अतिशय उच्च अशी संस्कृती आहे आणि त्याचा प्रभाव हा पूर्ण जगावर पडलेला आहे. परंतु आपल्यालाच आपली संस्कृती काय आहे हे माहिती नसतं. माहित असेल तर अर्धवट माहिती असते आणि म्हणून आपली ही संस्कृती वेस्टर्न पीपल किंवा थ्रू आउट दी ग्लोब इट इज फॉलोड. एक आपण उदाहरण घेतलं तर योगा योगा इज फॉलोड इन ऑल दी वेस्टर्न कंट्रीज, राईट. म्हणून आपली जी भारतीय संस्कृती आहे ही खूप अशी उच्च अशी संस्कृती आहे. अँड एव्हरीवन शुड नो अबाउट आवर rich culture, tradition, and the heritage. Now, the subject which is given for the today's discussion is the festivals and the personality development. First of all, we'll start with the concept festival. What is festival? A festival is a celebration that honors a special occasion or a theme. I will repeat. A festival is a celebration that honors a special occasion or theme. Festivals can be a chance for the family and friends to come together and share their joy and fun. Festivals are at the heart of the people of India. Festivals are primarily celebrated from a religious outlook in commemoration of saints, gurus, gods, and goddesses, and the victory of good over evil. सगळ्यात महत्वाचं, the victory of good over evil. Now, the festivals bring people together through shared traditions, vibrant practices, and artistic expressions, often signifying the triumph of good over evil, showing the rich diversity of India across different regions and communities. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, मैत्रिणींनो, हे जे आपण सण साजरे करतो तर त्याच्या मागे आपल्या हिंदू संस्कृतीमध्ये काही प्रबळ अशी कारणं आहेत. आता हे सण आपण जेव्हा साजरे करतो तेव्हा आपण सगळेजण एकत्र येतो आणि एकत्र मिळून आनंदाने हे सगळे सण साजरे करत असतो. आपले विचार, आचार, आपली संस्कृती याची देवाणघेवाण होत असते आणि त्यातूनच आपल्या व्यक्तिमत्वाचा विकासाला एक चालना मिळते. नाव देर आर सर्टन फीचर्स ऑफ इंडियन फेस्टिवल्स. आपले जे काही सण आहेत त्याची काही वैशिष्ट्य आहेत. पहिलं एक वैशिष्ट्य जे आहे रिलिजियस सिग्निफिकन्स, म्हणजे धार्मिक महत्व काय आहे. सो ऑल दी रिलिजियस फेस्टिवल्स आर सेंटर्ड ॲट हिंदू मायथॉलॉजी. हे जे आपले धार्मिक जे सण आहेत ते हिंदू मायथॉलॉजीशी निगडीत आहेत. उदाहरणार्थ गणेश चतुर्थी आपण साजरी करतो. गणेश फेस्टिवल हा साजरा करतो. प्रत्येक घरामध्ये आपण 1-1.5 दिवस, 5 दिवस, 7 दिवस आणि मंडळाचा 10 दिवस असा गणेशोत्सव आपण साजरा करतो. प्रामुख्याने त्यामध्ये लोकमान्य टिळकांनी जेव्हा गणेशोत्सव सुरू केला त्याच्या मागची पार्श्वभूमी अशी होती की लोकांनी एकत्र यावं, स्वातंत्र्याची स्फुल्लिंग तिथे प्रेरित व्हावी आणि पारतंत्र्यामधून आपण स्वतंत्र व्हावं, लोकांनी एकत्र यावं. दॅट वॉज द बेसिक आयडिया that time. Now we see so many mandals celebrating Ganesh festival where we find the practices of youths, girls as well as boys, of Dol, Tasha, and all, which gives an opportunity to the youth how to play those Dol, Tasha, and the flag, and how to come together, how to build our personality. So the festivals help us or mold us, mold our personality in a proper direction. Then we celebrate the Navaratra Utsav. It is Durga Utsav. We celebrate Ram Navami. We celebrate the Janmashtami, Gokulashtami. Right? So these are the religious festivals, have the different background. Then there are certain festivals which have seasonal connection and which depends on the agriculture cycles. Agricultural cycles, which includes harvesting season, or yesterday we have celebrated Makar Sankranti. It is a harvest festival. It is a time of celebration and expressing thanks to Mother Earth or nature when winter starts. मकर संक्रांती नंतर उत्तरायण सुरू होतो, दिवस मोठा होतो, रात्र छोटी होते, आणि हा हार्वेस्टिंगचा सीझन असतो. And that's why we thank Mother Earth or the nature where we stay. So the second feature of festival is seasonal connection. The third feature of the festival is cultural presentation. There are the festivals, dance, which are related with dance, music, drama, cuisine, etc. The fourth feature of festival is community building. What does it mean? It means bringing people together, fostering a sense of belongingness and unity. So we see that in India, there is unity in diversity, where people of different castes, different regions, different religions, beliefs, perceptions, they stay together. So that is unity in diversity. That is the peculiar feature of the Indian culture. So we have the different festivals. Then the next feature of a festival is symbolic meaning. We celebrate so many festivals, but for example, Deepavali, which is called as Deepavali, and which has a symbolic meaning, that is, it is the festival of lights. Festival of lights. And that's why what we say, that the victory of good over evil, right? Like that festival of light, which we celebrate almost for 5 days, which starts with the Vasubaras. Now, the cow has a very significant place as far as the Indian culture is concerned. So Diwali festival, it starts with worshipping the cow and calf, Vasubaras. Then it starts with Dhanatrayodshi. Then it starts with the Lakshmi Pujan. It starts with Bhau Duj and all. So it has certain significance. It is a festival of lights. म्हणजे अंधाराकडून प्रकाशाकडे, किंवा अंधाराचा नाश होऊन प्रकाश यावा, याच्यासाठी आपण हे फेस्टिवल्स करत असतो. देन होळी, हुताशनी पौर्णिमा, that is Holi, that is the Indian festival which is called as the festival of colors. where again the main idea is bringing people together and fostering a sense of belongingness, unity, sharing, caring, sharing of ideas. Now, by celebrating all those, even if there are national festivals, we celebrate the Independence Day on 15th August. We celebrate the Republic Day on 26th of January, which is coming. So there are national festivals also which we celebrate to mark tribute to those who have the freedom fighters, the leaders who have contributed a lot for the for making India an independent, democratic, largest democracy, having largest democracy nation. So friends, festivals where we the people come together, they share ideas, they share their joy, and fun is there, joy is there, and by which there is exchange of ideas, good ideas, of course, which will help for building the personality of an individual. Now, since yesterday, the latest example of Makar Sankranti uh, as a festival. Now, Makar Sankranti is known by different names in different states. In Maharashtra, it is known as Paush Sankranti. In Maharashtra, Goa, Andhra Pradesh, West Bengal, Karnataka, and Telangana, it is known as Makar Sankranti. In Hindus and Sikhs, it is known as Maghi Purnima. In Tamil Nadu, it is known as Pongal. In Gujarat and Rajasthan, it is known as Uttarayan. In Himachal Pradesh, it is called as Magh Saji. And in Bihar, it is known as Dahi Chura. Punjab, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh, Jammu and Kashmir, and Delhi, it is named as Lohari. Lohri. Now, this festival is the representation of change and optimism as the sun enters Capricorn. मकर राशीमध्ये सूर्याचं जेव्हा प्रवेश होतो तेव्हा ही मकर संक्रांत साजरी केली जाते आणि त्यानंतर त्याचं सूर्य हा त्याच्यामुळं उत्तरायण सुरू होतं. आता मकर संक्रांती मकर त्याच्या मागे we have a tradition, we have a history. On this day, Lord Vishnu in his Kurma avatar, Kurma म्हणजे tortoise. On this day, Lord Vishnu in his Kurma avatar defeated the demon Sankasur. संकासूर ह्या राक्षसाचा भगवान विष्णूंनी पराभव केला. And symbolically, the victory of good over evil is celebrated as Makar Sankranti. On this day, people take a holy dip in rivers. म्हणजे पवित्र अशा नद्यांमध्ये लोक स्नान करतात. For example, Ganga, Yamuna, Godavari, Krishna, and Kaveri. So these are the holy rivers where the people take a holy dip in those rivers. This festival, the people give each other presents, especially Tilgul, the traditional sweets made with sesame. It is known as Gachak. In some part, it is Gachak. In some parts, the Tilgul. In some parts, Khichadi. It is a day of thanksgiving for the year's harvest and invocation for wealth during the year. On Makar Sankranti, flying kites is a way to worship the sun. पतंग उडवले जातात बऱ्याच ठिकाणी, एस्पेशली गुजरातमध्ये पतंग मकर संक्रांतीच्या दिवशी उडवले जातात. टू वर्शिप द सन and acknowledge its importance in our lives. Flying kites symbolize the sun's